Okay guys, so welcome back to our new video. So this will be the continuation of our discussion about algebraic substitution. So we'll now go now with our sixth rule. So yung pa number 6 na rule natin is ito. So if the integrand contains expression square root of a plus bx plus x squared, so under a square root, so substitution natin ito. So a plus bx plus x squared is equals to z minus x raised to squared. So ayan, we'll be utilizing this substitution. So let's check now this sixth problem natin. Ayan. Okay, so our function now is the integral of dx over x multiplied by the square root of x squared plus 2x minus 1. So mapansin natin, so ito siya. Ito yung ating function which is x squared plus 2x minus 1 under a square root. So, dito applicable yung substitution natin. So, what will be our substitution now? So, ito yung nasa loob niya, which is x squared plus 2x minus 1 is equals to, substitution natin will be z minus x squared. So, yan. So, yung nasa loob na ito, papalitan natin ng z minus x squared. But how about, sir, itong x? Di ba? May x ka pa rin kahit dito. So, we need to simplify it. So, we can expand this one. So, x squared plus 2x minus 1. So, expansion natin to. So, it becomes z squared minus twice the product. So, 2xz plus x squared. Then, pansin natin cancel out yung x squared. So, we can combine similar terms. So, yung may x, dalawa. So, 2x plus 2xz is equals to z squared plus 1. Then, we can factor out yung x, is common. So, magiging 2 plus 2z na yan is equals to z squared plus 1. Then, we can divide both sides by 2 plus 2z. So, magiging, divide natin both sides. So, 2 plus 2z. So, 2 plus 2z. So, our substitution for x becomes z squared plus 1 over 2 plus 2z. So, yun. So, palitan natin yung x natin. And how about, sir, yung dx? So, differentiate natin to. So, papansin natin, if we take the derivative, so we will use quotient. So, yun yung madali. So, derivative dx. So, quotient rule. So, square nung denominator. Then, denominator multiply by the derivative of the numerator, 2z, minus numerator multiply by the derivative of the denominator, which is 2 na lang. Then, derivative of z, dz. Then we can simplify it more. So, dx is equals to, distribute. So, 4z na yan. Plus, 4z squared minus 2z squared minus 2 over 2 plus 2z squared. So, we can simplify similar terms. Ito. So, magiging dx is equals to 2z squared plus 4z minus 2 over 2 plus 2z squared. So, yun, dx natin. So, yun yung mga substitution natin. Okay, so we can do now the substitution. Substitute natin dito. So, it becomes integral of ito, dx. So, palitan na ay dz. Ayan. Sorry. Palit natin dito yan. So, magiging 2z squared plus 4z minus 2 over 2 plus 2z squared dz over, of course, diba, itong x na to. So, yung dx, pinalitan lang natin ito. Then, yung x, papalitan natin ito. So, it becomes z squared plus 1 over 2 plus 2z. Then ito, nasa loob nito. So, square root, papalitan natin yung nasa loob ng z minus x squared. Eh, since may x ka pa sa loob, so yung x na to, papalitan mo pa niyan. So, greater na yan. So, take out na muna natin to sa square root. So, magiging integral of so, rewrite lang natin to. So, 2z squared plus 4z minus 2 over 2 plus 2z squared dz over z squared plus 1 over 2 plus 2z. Ayan. Then 2 plus 2z. Then ito, so of course, pag in-square natin yan, z minus x na lang. Then yung x na to, papalitan natin ulit nito. Diba? Ito yung substitution natin eh. So palitan natin z minus, so bracket na yan, z squared plus 1 over 2 plus 2z. Ayun na. Then we can simplify this one by taking the LCD. So, ayan. So, i-write natin to. So, 2z squared plus 4z minus 2 over 2 plus 2z squared dz over, so z squared plus 1 over 2 plus 2z. Then LCD nito, ito of course 2 plus 2z, then z times 2 plus 2z minus quantity. So don't forget always yung mga parentheses nyo guys, very important yan. Ayun na. Then simplifying more, so distribute nyo yung z tsaka yung negative. So integral of 2z squared plus 4z minus 2 over 2 plus 2z dz all over, so z squared plus 1 over 2 plus 2z, distribute, so 2 plus 2z, so magiging 2z and 2z plus 2z squared minus z